Welcome to the channel. Today we're taking on one of the most challenging repairs yet, a complete flooded car rescue and a full engine rebuild. This vehicle got caught in some serious flooding, and unfortunately, the water level reached a point where the engine ingested water, leading to total failure. As you can see, the water damage is extensive. We'll examine exactly how high the water rose and the critical components that were submerged and compromised. The mission is clear: a full engine teardown, comprehensive inspection, replacement of damaged internals, and bringing this car back to life. First step is the damage assessment. We need to check the entire engine bay, looking for immediate signs of water entry, rust, and compromised electrical connections. Next, we drain all the fluids. When a car is flooded, the oil and other fluids become contaminated with water, turning into a milky sludge that must be completely removed. Now for the big lift. We're disconnecting all hoses, wiring, and mounts to safely pull the drowned engine out of the vehicle and onto the engine stand. With the engine out, the true extent of the damage will be revealed. We begin the teardown to analyze the internal components. This phase involves systematically dismantling the engine block, cylinder head, and all major components, paying close attention to any bent rods or water damage. Every single part, from the crankshaft to the valves, is meticulously inspected for signs of rust, pitting, and excessive wear caused by the water contamination. Cleaning is crucial. All salvageable components must be thoroughly cleaned and prepped. The block needs to be spotless before we can begin the rebuild process. It's time to bring the engine back to life. We move into the careful process of reassembly, starting with the heart of the engine. We're installing brand new pistons, rings, bearings, and other essential internal components to ensure reliability and performance after the flood damage. The cylinder head is reassembled and torqued back onto the block. Precision and correct torque specifications are vital here for a perfect seal. The moment of truth. Lowering the fully rebuilt engine back into the car's engine bay. We connect everything up, double-checking every hose and wire. With the engine rebuilt and installed, we turn our attention to other aspects of the flood damage and the ultimate test, the first startup. Water damage isn't limited to the engine. We need to inspect and address any issues in the interior, carpets, and crucial electronic modules. The highly anticipated moment, the first start. After all that work, hearing that engine fire up is incredibly rewarding. We run it through tests to ensure everything is running smoothly. This flooded car has undergone a massive transformation. The engine is healthy, and the rest of the vehicle is restored to its former glory. Here is the final result: a fully restored and running vehicle, a testament to the hard work and dedication required for a successful rescue and rebuild. Dealing with flood damage is always tough, but seeing the results makes it all worthwhile. Thanks for watching this challenging rescue and rebuild.